Good morning, children. Today we will study resistance in series. Now, as you can see here in this apparatus, there is ammeter which will show reading in milliampere. Voltage you can find out in voltmeter. You can see the symbol V, and this is the circuit how you have to connect your wires for resistance in series. Now this resistance in series you have to connect to a battery eliminator. Okay, you can see here 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the different volts that will be applied. So that this battery you will have to connect here as it is shown. See here 0 to 5 input supply. Here you will be giving supply. So now let us start connecting. Red has to be connected in red. Red is for positive and black is for negative. So this red you can connect, will start with 2 volts. Okay, so this red I have connected here. Now we need to connect black. To the battery. Okay, now this we have connected to the battery, okay, for input supply. Now you can see here this is the symbol for current 100 milliampere. Okay, so these two wires for positive and negative you will have to connect in your ammeter for current. So we'll connect red with red and black with black. So you can see I have connected black to the black and red to the red, and this is connected to the ampere. It will give us reading in milliampere for current flowing. Now we need to create the potential difference, okay, in the circuit, and that potential difference will be connected at these 2 points. Now you can see here this is the voltage difference, positive, and this is your negative. So you'll have to connect it here. This you connect in voltmeter. Black I have connected on the black, and red positive terminal on the positive. So this is how we have connected and completed the circuit. Now you can see here there is a key which is at off position now, S1 series. You can see here in this circuit R1 is 100 ohm offering and R2 is 100 ohm offering. But now this key you can see it is closed and we have also kept it off. Okay, when it is kept off, what it will mean? It will mean that this will not offer the resistance. So whatever the current will measure, it will be for R1. Okay, so now let's begin. You can see the change in reading. Okay, this is the reading of current in ampere. Okay, now let us just switch on this. Switching on this means even this will start offering resistance. When this is also offering resistance, what has happened? See to the current, it has decreased. Okay, so it is somewhere around 25. So if you study your circuit, see R1 is offering 100 ohm. You can see here R1 is 100 ohm and R2 is also offering 100 ohm. R1 is 100 ohm, R2 is 100 ohm. Okay, S1 the circuit is closed. Ampere we have connected to the milliampere here. Okay, this we have connected here, and volt difference we have connected here to the voltmeter. You can see. Okay, And after noting the readings, what we have found is that when you switch off the series, okay, so the current flows and less resistance is offered, so the current that flows is double in the amount, and when you switch this off, so at that time the current that is flowing is more. Okay, so this proves about resistors in series, meaning when the resistors are connected one after the other in the same circuit, then the current applied is the addition of the voltage offered by them. Okay, so as you can see in your textbook, so V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, and so we know that V is IR3, so IRS, okay, for series. So it will be for individually IR1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, here in textbook there are 3 resistances, and so RS will be the sum of resistances R1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is how resistors in series are connected. Thank you.